Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody trying to put a chainsaw around this 16-inch circle. They want 22 of them, but they're having a little difficulty. But he left me the clip art. So I thought I'd show how to trace this clip art. It's already pretty small. Let's go to Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. Traces it really good. It's a good vector work. If we extend our yellow box out, your copy's always going to be on top. There is some white in it that we need to get rid of. So grab your item, go to object, group and ungroup it, and then just hit on the white and hit delete. And at that time, you could add anything you wanted to this. Let's go off the yellow page and grab it all and go Control G. So I got the exact same one he did. I already checked it, doesn't have any white. But what he's doing when he uses object to path, it's a problem I run into quite a bit when something's like this. So we're going to go to object and object to path. And I've already done it. And you set it on 22. You select your item first, which is your object. You shift select your circle and then just hit apply. But watch what it does. And this is his concern. It turns the chainsaws all upside down. It really does a good job of it. Now, what we're going to do is all you have to do is take your chainsaw and flip it. Where it's now it's upside down. Shift select the circle, hit apply, and now all your chainsaws will be right side up. I do not know why they do that. We could quite possibly, let's see if we can change the angle. If you look, we could double click on this and move the angle to a little bit more of an angle like that. Shift select your ellipse and then hit apply. Let's see if the blade's not more on the line, and it is. That's the way I would want it to look. What I do like about object to path is you can just grab your path now and hit delete. And now you have, well, actually you have 23. Because we didn't, so it all depends on what he wants. If you look right there, we have 23 objects selected. Because whenever Corel says duplicate, you already had one, so you need to just do 21 if you want 22. Now you have 23. That's a pretty cool, I don't know what he's planning on doing with that, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.